welcome to Fresh Flower Living. Today I am showing you my Azure Standard haul, and I am really excited about this Azure Standard haul because I got some really cool different things, but I always got my staples, which is my wheat berries. And I couldn't believe this. Last month I did my hard white wheat berries, and we used the entire 25-pound bag, and I am a family of 4. So this time I got the hard white wheat, but I increased it to a 50-pound bag. Now I will say that I do share my bread, my homemade sourdough, my homemade sandwich loaves, and if you're interested in making that, you can see one of my videos, but I do share my loaves. I give them to, other family members, friends, neighbors, and things like that. So if you're not planning on giving any of your bread away, you probably wouldn't go through as much grain as I did. Anyways, I digress. Okay, so I wanted to try out some new products this month, and I love the sales flyer. That's where I get my inspiration on what I want to try. So I got this organic coconut cinnamon crunch, and it is actually grain-free. My son was talking to one of his friends, and he was like, oh man, we hadn't had cereal in a while. I miss cereal. So I was like, oh, okay. So that's why I chose this. So I'm really excited to, have him. He can eat that with milk. I can put it on top of my yogurts or my kefir chia overnight pudding. I'm really excited about that. I got the decaf. I actually got 2 decaf coffees. I'm excited. I've had this before and it's really good. I also love that it is water processed decaf coffees, because I'm not sure if you know this, but if you drink decaf coffee, they sometimes will use, if it doesn't say water processed, they use a chemical method to extract it. And I don't want that. So I like water processed decafs. And I don't drink all decaf. I mean, I wish I did, but I gotta have a little kick in the morning. So I do, like half and half. Okay, this is another one that I've used before and I love it, the Sucanat. So again, I've got a video on my cacao brownies that my kids love, and in there I use Sucanat in there as an ingredient. And Sucanat is an unprocessed, think of it like brown sugar. So this is a better version than brown sugar. So I want to pass that on to you. Love that. All right, next up is, oh yeah, this is something new. These are almond bars oh my gosh, they smell so good. This is soap. So I wanted to have some, organic soap without any extra, bad ingredients. So this smells so good. This is the almond soap. I also love that it's round, so that's going to be really fun to use. So I got that. I'm really excited about that. I've never tried that product before. And then so I am really excited about this. I got cinnamon sticks. Ooh, so instead of using ground cinnamon, I wanted to have some cinnamon sticks whole for not only recipes, but to also add into my coffee and then my teas. So I am so excited to have this huge bag, and it's 2.7 inch sticks, and y'all, I gotta get my glasses, hold on a second. And then it's a 1-pound bag. So, and it's organic cinnamon. So I'm really excited to try that. I'm gonna do that after this video. I'm gonna make myself a cinnamon tea. Okay, oh yes, I have not tried these yet. These are dried cranberries, and they are sweetened with apple juice. So hold on one second. Let me read you the back of it, because it was organic cranberries, organic apple juice concentrate. So I was really excited to try these cranberries, because I like to use cranberries in my chicken salad a lot. The one thing that I don't like that I just noticed was it's also got organic sunflower oil. I don't like to use seed oils in any of my foods. So I do like that it's infused with apple juice, but I don't like that organic sunflower oil. So what I will do is I will take this and I'm gonna put it in a bowl with filtered water, and I will just soak my cranberries for a little bit just to try to get the, maybe to get the sunflower oil, you know, lessen a little bit. And last but not least, I am so excited about this. Okay, this is organic raw milk cheddar cheese. I am beyond excited to try this. We go through tons of cheese in our house. My kids love my pizzas, my pizza rolls. We do sandwiches. I mean, there's just meatballs. There's just so many things that you can do with cheese. And the reason why I really love this is because it's a raw milk cheddar cheese, and raw dairy is a superfood. So I want to add that into our diet, along with, you know what the other superfood is? Grains, okay? Grain berries. And so whenever you freshly mill your berries to use it for bread, pizza, cinnamon rolls, whatever, you're eating a superfood. And fresh milled breads, fresh milled anything contains 40 out of the 44 essential nutrients you need. So huge fan of the grains. That's why I started with Azure Standard, is for the grains. And if you're interested in how to make any of the loaves, I have a lot of videos on that. But anyways, I just wanted to show you some of the different things that I got that I normally don't get from from Azure. And tell me, I would love to hear, if you would please comment and tell me what are some of your favorite things that you get from Azure Standard, because I would love to try some other things as well. All right, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.